We're here at World of Wheels with CJ.
Yeah.
And what club do you represent, CJ?
Together Car Club, Chicago chapter. It's a 1963 Chevy Impala Super Sport convertible. It's called Game Changer.
The Game Changer?
Yes.
What award did you win?
I got a top 20 of the whole World of Wheels.
And what kind of motor do you got in it?
It's an LS.
It's an LS?
Yes.
Wow. How many pumps do you have in this car? It is a lowrider with hydraulics.
That is correct. So it's a 2-pump hydraulic car with high-low pumps. It's got 4.8X dumps in it, and it's got 6 batteries.
What size tires do you have?
I do got 14s, 14.7s. A lot of people will go traditionally on 13.7s. I decided to go with the 14.7s because I got a full wrap frame. I got the LS engine in there, so I want to be able to get on the highway, move when I want to move.
Are those 520s?
Those are 520, the premium Sportways.
Nice rims too.
Yeah, triple gold Dayton's.
Dayton's?
Yeah.
What kind of color is this?
This is actually a factory 1963 brown.
Brown.
So this is the exact same color. They painted it back then. And then I had Marcato fly out from LA from Lifestyles Car Club, and he actually could come out here and he pinstriped the car.
That didn't come with the skirts, did it? The skirts are...
It's a factory option.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yeah, I got a couple rear factory options. I got the Autotronic eye, which basically will take the brights down and all that kind of stuff like that. I got the 4-way flashers, which is another option on the car, and it's also a factory AC. Other than that, I mean, everything's been touched. Everything's been touched. The car was a complete frame off. The frame was molded. The frame was reinforced. The frame was painted. The belly's been painted. It's been smoothed out. A lot of the holes been welded up, stuff like that. So, you know, every bit of this car has been touched.
I see on the door you have, it's like a little shine that kind of look like little stars. Are those actual lights or are those glitter?
No, those are actual lights. They actually change color. That's actually from a Rolls-Royce Stars roof. So the Rolls-Royces, they all have that in the roofs. And basically I wanted to do something different because it's a convertible. I wanted to still have that style, so I implemented that into the door panels and then their trunk.
How long did it take you to get it from where you got it to where it is now?
We're just pushing 5 years. It's a long 5 years, very long 5 years. We like to call it 2 weeks because every time I go to the shop, we like say 2 weeks. How much longer? 2 more weeks, 2 more weeks, 2 more weeks. So it's a 2 weeks.
What was the biggest challenge to like get it to this point?
Biggest challenge, just time, parts, waiting for parts, getting parts, you know. Some of the parts just not in your quality, you gotta send them back out. I mean, even up to the day of the show, we were changing out parts. You know, some of the chrome just will come back, you know, not up to standards. You gotta send it out. There's still stuff I gotta send out, resend out again. But it's just a never-ending battle.
What is the biggest mod that you have on here?
The biggest mod, I think, you know, I'm real proud about the interior and the engine. The engine bays, like, we did it a whole different level with the LS swap. We did a whole, like, pro touring level so it could compete with the hot rods and stuff like that. A lot of people will just do, like, a basic 350 and just chrome it out, do all that stuff. But that's been done and done and done over and over again. So I wanted to really just take it up a notch, go against the big boys with the hot rods and be able to really just compete on a level playing field with those guys.
Is there anything else that you left out that you want to do eventually? You say, oh, I'll get to this later?
There's a lot of stuff I want to do. I want to eventually, you know, it's a never-ending battle.
You don't have to say what it is.
No, yeah, it's a never-ending thing. I mean, it's like a boat, you know. You're happy.
Progress,
right? Yeah, you're happy the first day you get it, and you're going to be happy the day you sell it.
Oh, definitely. And if you were to put a price on the entire car right now, like, how much will you sell it for?
How much would I sell it for? I could buy a house with how much I'd sell it for.
Yeah? You got no number?
I got a number, but...
It's a little secret.
Yeah.
It's a little secret. We'll keep it away from the wife.
Yeah. Well, the wife knows everything. You know, she's been very supportive of the whole thing. You know, I'm out there, I'm making money, you know, and just working a couple jobs and doing my thing to make sure I afford my spending habits.
How many cars have you had altogether, including this one?
Oh, I've had many cars. I've had a blue 63 convertible back in the day. I've had a 65 convertible. I had a 1957 drop top convertible. 66 convertible. I've had quite a few.
All of them are convertibles.
Oh, I love convertibles. Got to have the top going down. That's the only way to roll.